What blizzard? It's just a couple flakes.
So this is the most we've ever had one day. It's about 3 or 4 inches. Neighbors are out already shoveling and snow blowing. This is our new neighbor Ted. I'll be using his snow blower. I got a chiropractic appointment 9:30, so we gotta get this stuff out of here.
Well, this is the most snow we've had moving here. Look at all this. Woohoo! I'm so glad it's a snow day. And they have not plowed our street, which we've had a problem with through the city of Post Falls. Guess where we're going, Aunt Lynn? Never been when it's this snowy. We are going to Embers on the lake. We changed our plans from Embers on the green. So we'll probably sit outside with the heaters, the enclosed patio like ours. I just wanted you to see how pretty it is.
And this lake will freeze, so it might be frozen over by Embers.
Look at that tree. And we are the first ones here. It's 5 to 4 when they open. There's Lake Hauser. Got some snow on it. We're the only car here. Gonna go in and get my little patio area and enjoy. Beautiful Embers. Get all that snow. Okay, we are inside Embers, and as you can see, there's Lake Hauser Lake. There's no one here, and that's why we get here at 4 o'clock. And it's beautiful. Warm, heaters are on. And as you can see, this is what Brett copied from online, Amazon, to put in our backyard, which is amazing. So you can still sit outside.
Well, that's the end. It was Wednesday, November 30th, our first big snow day of 2022, the most we've ever had, actually. Thanks for watching. Please like us, give us a thumbs up, feel free to subscribe, and feel free to leave comments. Until our next adventure, bye!